Hello everyone. Students, we are doing lesson number 10, Arun saves the day. Today we are going to do an exercise of this lesson, sound sense. It is on page number 104. Students, in this lesson you need to listen pronunciation of the words very carefully. Question is, read this sentence aloud and pay attention to how the highlighted word is said. Children, listen to the pronunciation of words carefully and observe the sounds of letters in word. But suddenly he felt a sharp pain in his right wrist. The spelling of wrist is W-R-I-S-T, wrist. Students, do you know the sound of W? It's wa. But here W has no sound. So we will call it silent letter. It's wrist. W in the wrist is silent. Listen to the following words and say whether they have a silent W as in wrist. Write them in the correct column. Students, before writing all these words in the correct column, let's discuss all these words. Students, listen to the words carefully and speak all these words twice. First word is wrestle. Can you hear sound of W in wrestle? No, W is silent. Wrestle. Second word is wriggle. In wriggle, there is no sound of W. W is silent. Third word is write. In write, W is silent. Next word is worry. Students, you can clearly observe the sound wa in worry. Next word is water. Water. In water, wa sound is there. Water. Wrong. Here the W is silent. Next word is where. Sound wa is here. Next word is answer. In answer, there is no sound of W. Next word is wheat. In this word, we pronounce W sounds wa. Wheat. Students, now you have to pronounce all these words twice and feel the difference. Students, now you have to write these words in two different columns. One with silent W and the other with sounding W. Silent W words. Number 1, wrestle. 2, wriggle. 3, right. 4, wrong. 5, wrinkle. 6, answer. In these words, W is silent. Second column is W pronounced words. In this column, we have to write the words which have W sounds. Number 1, worry. 2, water. 3, where. 4, wheat. In these words, we can clearly observe the sound wa. W sounds wa. Students, now you have to complete this exercise sound sense in your English Vibes book on page number 104.